Today, we'll take you through easy installation and safe installation process of Guanhui bridge cranes. First, let's start with the end carriages install. With Guanhui cranes, the process is straightforward. Position the end carriages correctly with main girder and tighten the screws. Next, we move on to motor installation. Guanhui cranes feature a user-friendly motor installation process with all wiring and mounting points clearly marked. Install the anti-collision system. This crucial component ensures safe operation, and the Guanhui design makes it incredibly easy to install. After installation, it's crucial to perform system testing. We conduct comprehensive tests to verify the crane's responsiveness and safety features, ensuring everything is in perfect working order. Simple installation, thorough testing, saving time and cost, reducing risk. That's what Guanhui Crane stands for.